In this demo, we'll take a look at how to install CodeRabbit VSCode extension, how to run a review over your local committed or uncommitted changes, and then how to accept or execute those code review comments in your VS Code editor. First of all, let us get to the extensions marketplace of VS Code and then install the CodeRabbit extension. If you are using CodeRabbit for the first time, then go ahead and create your account or sign into your existing CodeRabbit account. Here you could see the current branch that I am in. You could also see the main branch that I am trying to merge my changes into. You also see a bunch of files to review and a button that you could call to start the review. But before that, CodeRabbit calculates the git diff between two branches and show what are the commit diff between the two branches. But otherwise, we could discover uncommitted changes in your code editor too. So those changes which are not committed but ready to be reviewed, so that you could have one line of reviews before you really commit to the branch and raise a PR. Here I am trying to review all the changes that are in my branch and also in my code editor without committed and do a review in a single shot. The review might take a minute or so, but you would see all the review comments come through one by one. And these review comments could be anything like a potential issue, a refactor suggestion, or error handling that you forgot to implement while doing the code, and more. On clicking on one of the code review comment, you could find a model that is accurately pinpointing to the line number and gives you an information about what the change is for you to implement. CodeRabbit makes it easy for you to accept this suggestion by a feature called one-click commit that you can simply click and make the change available. Otherwise, you could also use your AI code assistant in the code editor to implement this change. Simply head over to the Fix with AI agent button and click the button to pass over the context to the local AI code assistant. CodeRabbit works with Copilot, Cursor agent, and Windsurf agent. This demonstrates a simple way of getting free AI code reviews for your staged or unstaged commit in your AI code editors, so that you could fix bugs faster and also ship code faster. CodeRabbit in IDE is a subset of its broader features. When you want to do reviews in your Git platform, that's where CodeRabbit advanced features come in and that are very helpful for you to ship really fast. You can check out more details about using CodeRabbit in VS Code on our website at coderabbit.ai/IDE.